Sometimes, horrible things happen to good people. Yeah, you heard me right. Life isn't fair. And sometimes it breaks your heart, tears you apart from the inside out. But listen to me. If you're having one of those dark days, it's okay. It's okay to feel that darkness. It's okay to not be okay. Because that darkness, that pain, it's real. When challenges come, not once, not twice, but back to back to back to back, and it feels like the world's ganging up on you, like something's after you, attacking your peace, attacking your purpose, your journey. That's when you've got to stop and look for the lesson. Because you will grow through what you go through. The question is, are you willing to go through it? When bad things hit you, when pain shows up uninvited, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna let this situation define you? Are you going to let it control your emotions, your actions, your mindset? Or are you gonna stand up, face it head on, and fight it with courage, with fire, with resolve? You already know darkness, so don't run from it. Embrace it. Yeah, I said it. Embrace that darkness. Don't look away. Don't hide. Own it. Command it. Because that's where real warriors are made. Step up to the challenge. No matter what you're facing, start walking. Take that first step, then another, and another. Every single day. No matter how heavy it feels, get up and move. And never surrender. Because even in the most miserable, gut-wrenching moments, when life hits you harder than you thought possible, when it's dark, when it's cold, when you're alone, remember this. Do not stop. Don't pause. Don't hesitate. Put one foot in front of the other and keep moving. Because we will fight. And in fighting, we will win. And even if we don't win the battle, even if we don't win the war, we will win something greater because our spirit will never surrender. And that, right there, is the ultimate victory. To stand tall, head high, even in the face of what looks like certain defeat. To stare fear in the eye and say, "You can't break me." That is victory. Don't you dare switch off. Don't you dare quit. Because there's always an answer. There's always a way. No matter how dark the place feels, there's a way out. You've just got to keep going. You've got to hold on to that one unshakable thing, faith. Have faith, because on the other side of your pain is something good, something real, something worth it. So keep walking, keep fighting, keep believing, because this, right now, this pain, this storm, this fight, it's not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your comeback. Now get up and go claim what's yours.